Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're on another boat. This time is nighttime, and I got more people here. These are my two crew members, and there's more people out there. Let's go explore the ship, I guess. Hopefully we don't sink this time, like the last time. These people are playing tennis, I guess, by the storm, and other people are they're eating. Oh, okay. As you can see, I have survival on, so I cannot die. And so, here's the front of the boat, I guess. My two crew members. We don't talk about this. We don't talk about that. I will use that later on, but as for now, no. We don't talk about that. I'm gonna call it the Titanic mode, alright? The Titanic mode. It's a funny name, I just came up with it. But as for now, there's the starter base, there's another island, and over there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's the train track over there, as you can see. It's somewhere over there. Um, so yeah, you are gonna be piloting this, I guess, as I go explore the boat. So here, I have my lifeboats on. I don't know if I should attach it or not. Listen, it's not even usable. Great, I'm gonna die here. Oh no. Wait, is it not usable? I thought they were. No, I'm gonna die. Well, hopefully this video is a banger like the last time. Oh my goodness, 4,000 views, guys. Man, thank you guys. I support it so much. Thank you for support. All right, thank you for the support. And please subscribe and like the video. Oh, these people are moving. What? Okay, they're moving. They're possessed. All right. Here's the back of the boat. I haven't seen much of this. I just got this boat, and I don't know much about it. Oh, it's bright. Oh my goodness. Alright, so cabins, I guess? Oh, these seem like crew quarters. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna leave it open. Screw it. More stuff. Light. No, that was not even light. That was useless. Okay. I guess this is the cargo hold. Oh, okay, I got it. We're gonna go down more. More crew quarters, I guess? Oh, door don't work. Nope, nothing. Wait, hold up. Wait, this is something. Yay. Those are scams, alright? Guys, don't go there. Those are scams. Don't get scammed by the boat. A dining area for peasant class. Another door. What is this? A green screen. Oh my goodness. Another dining area. This one with a clock. Yep, a clock. It's nighttime. I don't know why. Oh boy. I did not even activate anything. What happened? No, I do not want tsunami. Let's crank up the rain and the wind. Alright, I did it. The wind is up. It's a storm now. We're sailing in rough seas. Oh boy. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh no, the helm. Oh shoot, no, the helm. Oh, here's another person. Miss, I suggest you to get down. Get in a safe area. Go to a place anywhere. The bathroom, the toilet room, anywhere. Uh, I'm just gonna keep you here for now. Oh, just as I said it, a bathroom. Great. I don't want to see. Oh, she did some. Well, you're going back there, no matter what. Deal with it. Life is fair. Deal with it. Life is fair. You're not escaping. Nope, you're staying in there. Screw you. Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep that closed. Oh my goodness, that siren's gonna be annoying. And there's nothing going on. So I didn't do anything other than the weather. Oh boy. Oh, that's some rough seas. Oh my goodness. I cannot even go up. Oh, that's not good. And I didn't even press Titanic. You are not doing a good job. You're fired. Oh boy. Turn, turn. This boat does not turn. That's all I can say, alright? The boat does not turn. This is a very crappy boat. We're going against the waves because that's the safer way. So we don't go Poseidon mode. You know, like going upside down, capsizing. Imagine if there was a tsunami. That'd be funny. Make sure you guys subscribe so I can post even more videos, and it really helps a ton. All right, it genuinely helps a ton. Oh my goodness, why am I on top of here? I don't know. I don't have much stuff on me, as you can see in my bar. Oh boy, it's midnight. This is not good. Wait, there were people here. What happened to them? Okay, miss, come here, please. You're gonna die. Don't get it. I should not say that to the passengers. That's not okay. He's gonna leave those doors open. I don't really care. Could care less. Button. What is this? D button. I actually don't know what this is. I just noticed it until now. I'm not gonna press that, alright? I'm not gonna figure it out. That's what is that? Oh, I think I know what it is. That is the center point of every build. What's in here? Another toilet. Screw that. I'm not gonna see another toilet again. Okay. You can be flipped. Okay, that's not okay. Okay. Just get out of here. Over here. You'll be slipping too. Okay. Outside. What time is it? Okay, this is not accurate. This is all wrong. No. You guys, have you been doing anything? Oh! The propellers! They're outside. They're out of the water. How are we supposed to move? Don't tell me we're sinking. It's not even that deep. It's not even that deep. Guarantee it's not even that deep. Wait, really? Screw it. I'm spawning at the moment. Screw it. I'm bored. If we're gonna sink this bad boy, we're gonna sink it, alright? No matter what, we're gonna survive. Especially on Jerry right here. I believe this man is gonna survive. You, on the other hand, you're fired. No, you're not escaping. There, screw you. Screw you! That was actually mean, alright? I feel bad for him. But he did a bad job. I trust more on Gary here. Larry. Whatever you want. Where's the tsunami? Oh my goodness. We're not moving, are we? No, we are not moving. Oh my goodness. Okay, that was a thumbnail. Oh! Okay. Actually, because I'm bored too. We're getting so chaotic. Oh no. It's gonna lag. It's gonna lag a lot. Oh! Oh boy! I'm going inside. Come on! Oh no, I'm going inside. Screw it. You're going to sleep. Oh no! Ow! I died. Just oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh my goodness. What was that? Tsunami, no. Oh boy, what was that? Wait, where's the boat? Okay, I think I broke something. There's a tsunami. I definitely broke something. I don't know what. Wait, let me check on the map. Nothing is there. The boat. The ship, however, it's gone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, screw that. Oh, I'm dead again. Oh, I cannot see nothing. I'm dying. Well, guess that's gonna be it for this video. Pretty short, pretty weird, pretty bad, I guess. Anyways, bye. Subscribe, leave a like, and comment.